Under the settings, profile, this is where you update all your basic business information, your banking details, the branding, email settings. Basically, every quotation you send, any coordinations, do you want that to be automatically CC'd into another email address? You could do that as well. This is like when they send a quotation from the system or an email from the system, you could keep that like the email goes out at the same time it sends a copy to somewhere else. It automatically based on representatives emails, but you can give a common email as well if you want to. And if you don't want all this to log in the story, you could simply turn that story off. The SMS settings is also the same. If you don't want to use it, turn it off. API configuration is for your MailChimp purposes. If you have a client base there, you just provide the API and the MailChimp ID. That one click, you can sync the data straight to there.